Hello, my name is Alan Baker. I'm one of the instructors here at CMC. Today we want to go over how to perform a proper and safe evaluation of the lever escape system. When demonstrating the system, we want to make sure the individual gets a good idea of its use while maintaining as much safety as possible. Here's some of the items you need when evaluating the lever escape system. A Class 2 or Class 3 harness, a window with a sill about 16 feet off the ground. You need a belay system with a change of direction outside of the window, a crash pad, and a technical rescue helmet. Before we rappel out of a structure, we want to test the horizontal functionality of the lever escape system. We want to gain an experience and a comfort level with the device. One hand needs to tail the webbing, the other hand on the device. Once we gain a comfort level, then we're ready to rig it for vertical. To perform a remote anchoring with the lever escape system, first you want to pull enough web through the device to go around the remote anchor. Once the flashlight hook is around the remote anchor, you want to create a girth hitch. You first do this by taking a bite of web up through the slot and around the hook. This creates that girth hitch. Next, you want to transition horizontally across the room to the window you're going to bail out of. For this evaluation of the lever, we actually want to pre-measure the device so that it's just outside or has cleared the window sill. The device itself is specifically designed that if it left inside the windowsill, it will easily transition and clear it. But for this evaluation, we want to pre-measure it so it's just outside. Confirm that my belay is ready. Belay on. Once you're out the window, one hand will control the lever, the other hand will be in control of the fire escape web. To lower yourself, just easily pull the lever towards your body and ease yourself down. Down. Once you practice that a few times, then you can create more challenging scenarios with the lever.
CMC. Rescue, Safety, Access.